Okay, 47 tacos is officially my limit.
I think that's anyone's limit, honey.
A healing speedster's gotta eat.
Healed, Dad. Well, I'm fine. I promise. Hey, dinner again tomorrow night?
Yeah.
Nora, I just want you to know how much we love you.
See? She's back to her old self. And so are you.
No, I'm not. In fact, I don't think I'll ever be the same. All of this has made me realize, I don't know, I never knew I was capable of even caring for someone as much as I care about Nora.
I did. I have never met anyone with a bigger heart than you, Barry. So it's no surprise to me that you are a fantastic father. Just like you're a fantastic husband.
Cicada's a father, too. What if the key to defeating him is appealing to his heart?
How do we do that?
By saving his child. We need to wake up Grace.